22 into this equal 4. Correct. So, interest. So, okay. Count this out. Count this out. Dollar. And teacher will do it. Dollar. Count this out. So, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 will be 3. Yes, I will do this. Okay. Count this out again. And stop. Calculate 3 into 7. Right. Here, inside. Number. Inside. 15. Activity. 15. Yeah. 1%. 50. Plus 1. 2. Yes. This is the interest. Again. 4 into 5. Okay. 4 into 4. Into 1. 15. 2. 2. 0. 2. Plus 2. 6. 2 interest. 2. Second. 5. 5. 2. 5. 2. 5. 8. 7. Take it away. 1. 6. 15 plus 5. 2. 7. 20. Right.